Why do we close our eyes when we sneeze? By closing our eyes, we are avoiding the particles that expel from our nose from getting into our eyes. Some people might think that you're trying to prevent your eyeballs from popping out, but that is very far from the truth. That's a myth. This did happen in 1882, where a woman had something called eyeball subluxy, where her eyes did pop out when she sneezed. But this is because she had some muscle problems with her eyes, so it's not, generally true for the general population. Keeping your eyes shut when you sneeze is actually an involuntary response. Scientists do believe that we close our eyes when we sneeze because we're trying to prevent the allergens and particles from going into our eyes. And yes, you can sneeze with your eyes open. This is rather hard because it's going against a reflex, right? So that's the fact. This has been Medical Myths and Mysteries. Follow me for more.